Well, Jeffrey, we're going to do a I mean, here you are feeling at home in Chekhov, right? And he looks at you and sees Eddie Murphy.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, well, that's America and other places as well.
But it didn't stop you.
No, not at all.
Meeting my guests, it was clear that while both had been fundamentally shaped by their African-American heritage, Jeffrey and Latifah also shared something that wasn't so obvious. Each descended from ancestors whose stories defied common stereotypes about the Black experience, stories that had been lost or forgotten. It was time to bring them back. I started with Latifah and her paternal grandfather, Amos Owens Jr., who ran a hardware store near her hometown of Newark, New Jersey, and was a central figure in her childhood, a source of pride, inspiration, and entertainment.